20 classic cars, all under $5,000. Some run, some don't, but every single one has real potential. Let's take a look. Number 1. 1977 Oldsmobile 98, $3,750, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Coupe is listed as a running and driving car with around 67,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission, white exterior, green interior, and a clean title already in hand. The seller describes it as a solid body project with no major issues mentioned. Overall, it appears to be a usable classic that can be driven while gradually improving condition over time. Number 2.
1978 Cutlass G-Body V8, $3,000, Baldwin, MS. This 1978 Cutlass runs and drives and is currently used as a daily driver. It has received multiple recent updates, including brakes, shocks, hoses, alternator, along with newer wheels and tires. The car is described as fairly solid and comes with extra interior parts. While not fully restored, it's a functional driver that still leaves room for ongoing improvement. Number 3. 1972 Oldsmobile 98 two-door luxury coupe, $5,000, Lebanon, Kentucky. This 1972 Oldsmobile 98 is powered by a 455 rocket engine and has around 109,000 miles.
It features an automatic transmission, gold exterior, brown interior, and has had multiple previous owners. The car runs and drives with no major issues noted by the seller. It sits as a complete, usable, full-size coupe that may benefit from cosmetic or minor mechanical attention. Number 4. 1963 Mercury Comet Custom, $4,900, Loretto, Tennessee. This 1963 Mercury Comet comes with an inline-6 engine and a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, showing just over 43,000 miles. It has a white exterior, red interior, and has had extensive recent maintenance work completed. The car runs and drives well and is described as very solid overall. Aside from a small exhaust manifold leak, it appears ready to be driven regularly with minimal additional work. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Convertible, 2D, $5,000, Dyer, Indiana. This 1974 Corvette Stingray Convertible shows around 97,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The car does run, but currently will not shift gears. The issue is believed to be a transmission leak, and the vehicle will need to be trailered. It's clearly a mechanical project, but remains a complete convertible platform to build from. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D, $5,000, Findlay, Ohio. This 1979 Camaro has around 100,000 miles and features a rebuilt 350 engine along with multiple performance upgrades. The drivetrain has been refreshed, including transmission work and supporting components. The seller states it runs strong, maintains good oil pressure, and can handle long-distance driving. While modified, it presents a solid running car rather than a non-running project. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, $5,000, Hendersonville, Tennessee. This 1979 Corvette Coupe is listed as a running and driving car with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior and black interior. The seller mentions it needs some TLC, suggesting minor repairs or general maintenance. Overall, it appears to be a usable car that still requires some attention to reach its full potential. Number 8. 1974 Mercedes-Benz 240D 240 Diesel, $2,499, Findlay, Ohio. This 1974 Mercedes-Benz 240D has around 76,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It is currently not running, mainly due to needing a battery and glow plug replacement. The car is described as complete with a solid body and decent interior. It stands as a straightforward revival project rather than a heavily stripped or damaged example. Number 9.
1973 Plymouth Scamp, $4,000, Madison, VA. This 1973 Plymouth Scamp is a project car equipped with a 340 engine. It has around 20,000 miles listed, though actual condition suggests a full project. The seller clearly positions it as a restoration or patina build candidate. It's not presented as a ready driver, but rather a base for someone looking to build from the ground up. Number 10. 1937 Buick Super 8, $3,950, Selmer, Tennessee. This 1937 Buick Super 8 is an all-original sedan with a straight 8 engine and rare factory options. The body is described as very solid overall, with only the driver's side running board needing repair.
The car has not been started recently, but the seller believes it could run with basic servicing. It's a preservation-style project with strong originality and historical character. Number 11. 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $2,000, Orient OA. This 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass comes with a 350 engine and automatic transmission, showing around 147,000 miles. The car has been sitting for over 20 years, and the seller has not attempted to start it. Structurally, the frame is said to be in good condition, and it includes a 12-bolt rear end. However, it will need a full inspection before any attempt to run it. There is some rust present in the floors and trunk, but it's described as minimal and repairable. A bench seat is included, but not currently installed in the car. One major factor is that the car does not have a title. While a workaround is mentioned, this still adds an extra step, making it more suitable for experienced project buyers. Number 12. 1978 Lincoln Town Car Continental, $2,100, Peebles, Ohio. This 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car runs and drives, showing around 103,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission with gold exterior and interior. The car does have a few mechanical needs, including a power steering house and a slow radiator leak. The tires are also not in the best condition, and some windows need track repairs. On the positive side, the undercarriage is described as solid with very little rust. It has also received several recent maintenance items, including rear air shocks, ignition components, and fuel system work. Overall, it's a usable driver that still requires attention, but it can be driven home while improvements are made over time. Number 13. 1972 Buick Skylark, $2,000, Good Spring, Tennessee. This 1972 Buick Skylark is a coupe with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. It shows around 100,000 miles and is presented as a project car. The body is described as straight, but it does have typical rust issues. Areas like floor pans, quarters, and other sections will need repair work. It comes equipped with features like power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. However, condition suggests it will need significant restoration or be used out as a parts donor. This is more of a hands-on project, suited for someone planning a full rebuild, resto mod, or part out, depending on goals. $14,966 Studebaker Commander, $2,200, Holton, Michigan. This 1966 Studebaker Commander comes with a clean title and is described as having a very solid unibody structure,
Floors are also reported to be in solid condition. There are some rust folds present, but nothing indicating major structural failure. The car still retains its original seats as part of the package. The main mechanical issue is a bad turbo 350 transmission, which will need repair or replacement. Aside from that, the platform appears complete. Overall, it presents itself as a solid base for a restoration, rat rod, or custom build, depending on the direction the buyer wants to take. (15) 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, $4,200, Sanford, NC. This 1972 Chevrolet El Camino is equipped with a 350 engine and turbo 350 transmission. It is described as a running project. However, the car currently needs a gas tank and will require towing rather than being driven. That limits immediate usability. Condition suggests it is partially functional, but not road-ready. It sits between a running car and a non-running project, depending on what's completed. It's a workable base for someone familiar with these platforms, especially if looking for a project that already has an engine in place. (16) 1976 Ford F-150 FX2 pickup 2D 6.5 feet, $3,000, Maplewood, OH. This 1976 Ford F-150 is described as a great running project truck with around 86,000 miles. It features a 360 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission. The truck has received multiple new parts, suggesting some level of recent maintenance or upkeep. It is not described as fully restored, but it is operational. Being an early Ranger-era truck, it offers a classic platform with simple mechanics. It can be used while gradually improving condition. Overall, it sits in the category of usable project trucks that don't require immediate full teardown. (17) 1976 Chevrolet Camaro LS Coupe 2D, $2,000, Clay City, KY. This 1976 Camaro is listed as a roller, meaning it does not currently have a fully assembled running drivetrain. The frame is described as extremely solid with decent floor pans. It does come with a 350 engine and 4L60E transmission included, though the engine needs to be reassembled. Parts are said to be mostly there. The car is being sold as is, with no title included. That adds complexity depending on the buyer's intended use. Overall, this is a true project build starting point rather than a driver, best suited for someone planning a full assembly project. (18) 1970 Ford Ranchero, $3,800, Sonoya, Georgia. This 1970 Ford Ranchero runs and drives well, showing around 70,000 miles. It is powered by a 302 engine and has had various updates, including brakes, tires, and fuel system work. It also features aftermarket air conditioning and comes with additional parts and trim pieces. The vehicle appears to have been maintained over time. A current issue noted is a leaking radiator, though a replacement is already on the way. This suggests the car is still being actively worked on. Overall, it presents as a usable classic, with minor ongoing maintenance rather than a major project. (19) 1975 Lincoln Continental Mark VII, $4,500, Youngstown, Ohio. This 1975 Lincoln Continental is described as a strong running car with a rebuilt engine and new exhaust system.
It is positioned as being in good driver condition. The paint is generally in good shape, with the noted flaw below the rear window. Aside from that, no major cosmetic issues are highlighted. It appears to be a complete and usable car rather than a restoration case. The focus is more on driving than rebuilding. Overall, it fits into the category of older classics that are already on the road with only minor imperfections present. (20) 1978 Triumph TR7, $500, Hillsboro, OH. This 1978 Triumph TR7 is a low-cost project with around 78,000 miles and a manual transmission. The seller has not spent time working on it and does not know much about its condition. There is rust present in the trunk, and the car has not been inspected underneath or mechanically evaluated. It is not currently in running condition. The vehicle will need to be towed and is likely best considered alayhi salam a parts car or a full project. Expectations should remain realistic at this price point. Overall, it's a basic entry-level project with unknowns, suitable for someone looking for parts or a long-term rebuild. If you enjoy realistic classic car finds like these, stick around. There's always more out there. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.